I'll be giving you my CJ affiliate review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, is one of the oldest and most respected affiliate marketing networks. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or digital marketer, CJ Affiliate offers a way to monetize your audience. But many people are unsure how it actually works. Today, I'll break down its features, pros, cons, and how you can get started. CJ Affiliate is a platform that connects affiliates with advertisers. Instead of promoting just one brand, you get access to thousands of companies across multiple industries, from e-commerce and finance to tech and services. Once you sign up and are approved, you can browse the network to find affiliate programs that fit your niche, generate affiliate links, and start promoting products or services to your audience. One of the biggest features of CJ Affiliate is its robust reporting and analytics system. The dashboard allows you to track clicks, conversions, commissions, and overall performance in real time. This is crucial for optimizing campaigns, understanding which strategies work best, and scaling your affiliate income. Many affiliates praise this level of transparency and the detailed insights it provides. CJ Affiliate also offers flexible payment options. You can choose to get paid via direct deposit, wire transfer, or check once you reach the minimum payout threshold. Payments are generally reliable and consistent, which is important for anyone relying on affiliate revenue. Now for the pros. CJ Affiliate gives access to high-quality advertisers and big-name brands, making it easier to promote trusted products. The platform is highly reliable, with advanced tracking and reporting tools. It's also beginner-friendly, allowing new affiliates to quickly get started and explore multiple niches without committing to a single brand. On the downside, CJ Affiliate has some strict approval processes for certain advertisers, and getting accepted can take time. Commission rates vary widely, and some programs may have low payouts. Additionally, some users find the interface slightly overwhelming at first due to the sheer number of features and options available. Overall, CJ Affiliate is a legitimate and powerful affiliate network for anyone looking to earn money online. Whether you're just starting out or are an experienced marketer, the combination of reputable advertisers, advanced tools, and reliable payments makes CJ Affiliate a solid choice for monetizing your content and growing a sustainable affiliate business.